We are Bryce and Jen Riemer, and we farm on Riemer Family Farm.
6 years now.
The farm is located in Greene County, Wisconsin. Our farm includes 280 acres of gentle sloping, silt loam soils. We have a diversified livestock farm. We raise beef cattle, hogs, chicken, layers, turkey.
Our oldest daughter is 12, and she helps with chores every day. She gets up with one or the other of us and helps feed the turkeys and also the steers.
We farm because we wanted to raise our family out here. We wanted to have the lifestyle that a farm affords. That's one thing that's unique about our farm, is that it's a multi-generational farm. My parents live very close to us.
When we first started, all our sales and his sales were going to Chicago stockyards.
We sell primarily to the Woodstock Farmers Market in Woodstock, Illinois, and we do sell right off the farm as well, and folks will come right here to the farm and pick up meat CSA. We do a CSA both here and at the market, where people can have a monthly share of beef, pork, and chicken. And we do drop points in Madison and Wauwatosa as well. We're part of the Southwest Badger program. We've only been members for a year, but in that year we've taken advantage of lots of workshops and have a grazing mentor who has helped us immensely.
We have the opportunity to work with our mentor here on our farm, build fences together.
Our mentor has also helped us to navigate the NRCS system, just figuring out who to talk to and what the resources are that are available to people that are doing grazing. We're really excited to start grass finishing some beef next year and rotationally grazing our cow-calf herd.
10 acres of beans, 15 of corn on the other side are all going to be fenced in and start grass finishing. This is our pasture, and that bean field right behind you is where they want to put 6,000 cows inside.
For us, kind of the biggest challenge into the future is the potential pollution of our water and air from industrial agriculture. We've got potentially a almost 6,000 cow dairy that wants to site within a half mile of our house. In the last year and a half, we sort of fell into grassroots organizing, and it turned into a whole grassroots group called Greene County Defending Our Farmland. We've done a lot of work locally with local governments in the township and the county level to get some ordinances passed to protect health and safety of the community.